We are going to make our pizza today. For that, we will use our Play-Doh and we will use some magic to turn it into the pizza. Let's start making our pizza. First of all, we will use this Play-Doh to make our dough. Let's open it and put it in our magic microwave here. Here is our Play-Doh. We will put this in our microwave. And look, our dough is ready for the pizza. Let's put it on the pizza plate. This is our pizza plate, and now I'm gonna put our dough on the pizza plate. Here, that's a pizza number 1. This is a piece number 2, and 3, and 4. Here, we got the dough ready for our pizza. Now I'm gonna use this Play-Doh to make our pizza sauce. Let's open it. This is our Play-Doh, and now I'm gonna put it in our magic microwave. Let's start it. And look, we got our pizza sauce ready. Let's add our pizza sauce on the pizza dough. Now we are gonna use our white Play-Doh to turn it into the cheese. Let's open it, bring it out. This is our magic microwave. Put the Play-Doh here. Start it. And look, our cheese is all ready. We have perfect 4 pieces for cheese. This is our pizza plate. Now I'm gonna put our cheese on it. This is 1 piece. Piece number 2. Here is a piece number 3. And piece number 4. Now we are missing some meat and vegetables on it. Let's put our meat and vegetables on top of it. Now we are going to turn it into meat slices using our magic microwave. Here, start it, and look, our meat slices are all ready. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have perfect 4 pieces of meat slices. We're gonna add it on our pizza now. Let's add our meat on pizza. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're gonna add some vegetables on it. This is our vegetable basket. It has some mushrooms, onion, tomato, green pepper, and some broccoli. We are going to use them to make our topping for the pizza. But before that, we will wash our vegetables first. Let's open the tap. Here comes the water. We're washing our green pepper. Turn off the tap and look, it's all fresh and clean. We're gonna put it here to get it rinsed and get some more vegetables. Here is our onion. Let's wash it first. And this is all clean now. Put it here on the side. Here we have our tomato. Wash it first. And look, this is so shiny and clean. some mushrooms. And this is all clean too. And this is our broccoli. This is clean as well. Now we will cut them and make our slices. This is our broccoli. I will cut it, but this is not enough broccoli. These are just 2 slices, but that's okay. This is our magic microwave. We will use it to turn those broccoli, 2 pieces of those broccoli, into 4. And look, we have our broccoli ready. These are 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 slices of broccoli. Let's add it on our pizza now. Here's 1. Inside a bit. 2, 3, and 4. We have added our broccoli on the pizza. Now we're gonna get more toppings. This is our onion. Cut it, but we just have 2 slices. That's okay. We will use our magic microwave. This is our magic microwave. We'll add the onion in it. Let's start it. And look, our onion slices are all ready, and we have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's add it on our pizza. This is a pizza. I'm gonna add onions on it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is our tomato. We will put it in our microwave. Put the tomato in the microwave and start it. And here we have tomato slices ready. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's add them on the pizza now. This is a pizza. We'll add our tomato on it. 2, 3, and 4. Put it here. Cut it here. And again, we just have 2 pieces of it. But that's okay. We will use our magic microwave. We will put our green pepper in it. Let's turn it into 4 slices of green pepper. Wow! It turned into colorful pieces. This is orange, green, red, and yellow. Let's add them on our pizza now. Here is our pizza. I'm going to add 1 piece, 2, 3, and 4. This is our mushroom. I will cut it here. And again, these are just 2 pieces of mushroom. But that's okay. We will put it in our microwave and turn it into 4 pieces of mushrooms. This is our microwave. And I'm going to open it and put them here. Let's start it. And look, our mushroom slices are all ready. 1, 2, this is 3, and 4. Let's add them on our pizza now. This is our pizza. And we will add here 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're also gonna add some black olives on it. Let's add them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And look, our beautiful, amazing pizza with lots of topping is all ready. We have a box here and we're gonna use it to put our pizza in it. Let's add our pizza in it. here and close the lid. And this is our beautiful pizza is ready to go.